So initially, you can create a new file called as mybibliography.bib. Inside that, you can specify the references at article, each and every reference having a unique ID, AA and BB. Inside that, your references are given like this. Then save the file in the name, any name, dot extension BIB. That file which is specified inside your document called as /bibliography of that file name. Then wherever the cited location needed, you can use /cite the unique ID. You can assume that in your paper there are 10 references. By default, you are giving reference number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, fine. Then wherever needed, you can cite 1, 2, 3, whatever, fine. Now, your supervisor told that you can add 2 more reference in the number 5 and 6. Now your reference having 12 references. Then automatically all the reference number was modified. So wherever cited, you can check and modify the thing. But in LaTex, it's auto cited your document. So each and every reference not numbered. Each and every reference are cited with unique ID. So wherever the reference number modified, automatically the citation was updated. If you remove a reference, automatically citation was updated. If you add a reference, automatically citation was updated. If a reference was not cited, in that case also, that reference was not displayed in your reference section. These are the advantage of references. Auto citation in LaTex. It's an excellent tool. LaTex is an excellent tool for auto format your document. One of the advantage which will be called as auto bibliography references, auto format, auto reference formatting. So this is one of the excellent advantage of LaTex software. Please. My ID is visible, am I right? My Text Studio ID is visible, am I right? Otherwise, PowerPoint is visible. Please. Yeah, I will place new. I will create a new reference. Then I will go to my wizard. I will go to bibliography. Then I will click on article in journal. I will create a new file and go to bibliography and click on article in journal. Automatically it will give the set. So whatever having, you can cite this. I won't need this set of things. So I will remove the entire things. Okay. So each and every article which need a unique ID. So my ID is AA. The name of the author. So author name is Raja. Then title of the book, something called as LaTex programming. Then journal title, something my journal. Then year of publication, date or year of publication is 2023. Then similar way, I will copy paste the same to create my second journal. The journal which will be named as BB. Then author named as some ABC. Then LaTex programming which will be modified into computer programming. Then journal by journal 23. Okay, I will save my file in any folder. So I will create a new folder for LaTex. Inside that, I will save my file called as mybibliography.bib. I will save the file. Okay. Now I will create a new file for my text document /document class as article or report. Then /begin document and end document. Inside that, I will add the citation style. So bibliography style first. The style is plain. Then second, I will add my bibliography file. So /bibliography. My name of the bibliography file is mybib. So save this file in the same location. So my file named as sample.tex. Save the file. Now I will type my content. The content was something test data. The data was placed like this. Now I will execute my file. The references was added. I will execute one more time. So none of the references were placed because none of the references were cited. So I will cite the reference /cite AA. I will cite only AA. Now you can execute the same. One references was cited. So that one references was displayed here. Now I will cite my second reference /cite BB. So the reference to, so each and every article is separated by comma. Yes. Now, actually, I have given the reference to in actually my second reference, which will be cited first, because the reference which will be named as ABC. The author name by alphabetical order, my references was arranged. So author name ABC. So A is a first letter. So which will be placed in the first reference. Then Raja is a second reference. Okay. Then based on that, the citation test data of 2 wherever needed, test data of 1. So which is for reference citation. So initially you can create a report, then you can add section, subsection, the entire thing. Then you can check for table of content. Now you can go for equation, then array, then images, then table, then order list and unordered list, then reference management, then include graphics. So these are the set of things which needed for creating a simple report. So I have actually 25 assignments I can show here. Actually, I have this manual. So this manual which comprising of, so basic example. So experiment 1, we start with hello world. Experiment 2 for report creation. Experiment 3 for title. Experiment 4 for section. Exercise 5 for section with a label and references. Next for complete example. Next for mathematical equation. Next for array representation. Next for coloring or date representation. Some additional symbols. Then some additional mathematical notation and mathematical equation. Then AMS mathematical notation. Array, table, and simple article representation. Then reference citation bibliography. Then index, different language representation, different font, and new class representation. So these are some of the examples which provided to you. I think yesterday you have checked my website, something kesavraja.wordpress.com. There is a new menu which will be added inside e-training. The menu which will be called as LaTex for research. Click on that menu. Exercise 1. The exercise 1 and its output was given. Exercise 2 and their output was given. Then assignment, yesterday assignment also displayed that. Then example 3 also given. Now very soon, within 1 hour, the remaining example which will be added in that website. At least you can spend 1 hour or 1.5 hours for this all those experiments to try it today. Then it's possible for tomorrow's session for creating a complete project report for your college format. So you can try all those experiments today. So very soon, I think within half an hour, I will upload all those experiments here and share the link to your ma'am too. So you can view all the experiments. Then similar way, the entire materials are available inside the YouTube channel. So you can click here and view the videos too if any doubts. Okay, any questions from student side? Is it clear or not? Please at least raise your hand to say, is it clear or not? Is it clear? Thank you. Thank you from data science department. What about machine learning? Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. So thank you, students. So I hope it's clear. So entire things was available inside that website. So you can use that website and try all those experiments. Then only it's helpful for creating your project report completely in LaTeX. So tomorrow I will share a separate template for your college. So it's uniquely developed for your college project report. So I will share it on tomorrow, and tomorrow session we will completely discuss on your project report preparation. So before that, you can try all these experiments. Thanks for providing such a nice opportunity. Thanks for the head of the department, AI and machine learning and data science department. So thanks to all the participants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I will share all those assignment and materials soon.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, if possible, give some more time to students and try this experiment.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
So then only it's possible. If possible, share one report, project report format, just photocopy.
Sir, today by evening, sir.
Okay, sure, ma'am, sure. Then
today by evening by 7 o'clock. By 7 o'clock
for your college.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay,
sure,
sir.
Okay, thank you all. Thank you all the students. Thanks for participating. Thanks a lot.